Okay, now we are at the last instrument of the shine groove. On the score it says bass. Bass means it's a deep low heavy tone for percussion. So anything that creates a low tone like a bass drum, boom 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 boom, this we'll call it the bass. So the thing that we found that can make bass sound is actually a cardboard box. Okay, it doesn't have to be that big to make that sound. It can actually be this kind of box, this kind of long box, then with opening at the side, one of the side, so that air can come out, the sound can come out from here, and it actually creates a nice bass sound. Yeah. Okay, so if you have a cardboard box, good for you, you can use it. And then if it's a sturdy cardboard box, you might be able to use your sticks to play. Okay,
many hours later.
Okay, you might be able to use your sticks to play. See, it creates a very nice sound. Okay, but if you have a flimsy box that is going to fall apart soon, don't hit it so hard. Okay, don't hit it so hard. So now, alright, let's start. Okay, let's start looking at the bass for the shine groove. Okay, if you take a look at the third line and fourth line, you will see a rhythm that you have not learned yet in lesson 1 and 2. Okay, if you see a dot, okay, a dot behind the crotchet and then a quaver behind, that is what we call a dotted rhythm. Okay, a dot behind a note, it actually means it extends the note by half of its value. So what is half of a crotchet? One crotchet contains 2 quavers, so half a crotchet contains 1 quaver. Means if you play the dotted crotchet, you should be counting 1 and 2. Why? Because the 2 is half a crotchet, which is a quaver. So if you take a look at bar 9, the third line first bar, you should be counting 1 and 2 and. Understand? And it is right and 2 left. Okay? If you don't get it, it's fine. When we see each other again, I will explain more to you for this dotted rhythm. Okay? But it shouldn't be that difficult to understand. Alright? If you spend some time to sit down and take a look and figure it out, you will actually know what that dot means. It is very obvious on the score. Okay? But without further ado, let's do the first to the 4th bar of the bass. Same, we will just count without playing. Alright, so are you ready? This is count without playing. On my count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, count. 1 and 2, rest and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so are you ready to play? Okay, make sure that you know where the rest are. Alright, I need you to count and play together. Alright, count and play together. Ready? On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Okay, very easy, right? The first line. Okay, let's move on to the second line, bars 5 to 8. Same, we are going to count without playing first. All right, are you ready? On my count, and 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, so if you have not watched the shaker can video, the metal tin video, or the plastic bottle video, then you might not know what's happening here. Alright, you might not know what is happening at bar number 8. I'm not gonna explain in this video. I want you to look at the metal tin, the shaker can, and the plastic bottle video, and then you will know what this is. Okay. So now let us try counting. No, let's try counting and playing bars 5 to 8. Ready? On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so how? Notice I did something at bar number 8, right? Those who have seen the videos, those who have really paid attention to lessons, they will know what is happening. For those who didn't watch the other videos, you will know what is happening. Okay, it has to do with the volume. Okay, this is a clue. It has to do with the volume, which we call dynamics. Alright, but that's all I'm gonna tell you. Find out the answer by looking at the other videos too. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to line number 3, which is bar 9 to bar 12. Okay, same. We are going to count without playing. Alright, this is a little challenge because you have to look at the dotted rhythm, the dotted crotchet. Alright, so I am going to air drum while counting so that you will know what is happening. Alright, remember the dot means extending the note before it by half. Means you extend the crotchet by another half a crotchet, which means 1 crotchet and 1 quiver. Okay, let's try. Ready? Bars 9 to 12. On my count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and rest. 4. Haha, even though it's a complicated rhythm. But look, it's actually a repetitive rhythm. 2 bars of the same thing. Alright, so now I am going to play bars 9 to 12 while counting. Okay, this is a good chance for you to figure out what is happening. Okay, if you need more time and looking at the video more times to figure things out, please do. Okay, do not just look at it once and then just wants to finish it fast. Okay, normally nothing comes out if you rush things. Nothing comes out well when you try to rush things. Alright, so let's try bars 9 to 12. Okay, 9 to 12. Play while counting. Ready? On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? Got it? Okay, if you haven't get it yet, it's fine. Just practice it over and over and over again. Okay, now I'm going to move on to bars 13 to 16. Same, I am going to just count without playing. Alright, take a look. It's actually very easy. Okay, a hint, bars 13 to 16. It's exactly the same as bar 9 to 12. The only difference is bar 16, the dynamic difference. Alright, are you ready? Let's try that. Bars 13 to 16. On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Alright? Isn't it easy? Now, let's try counting while playing. Alright, bars 13 to 16. On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and rest. 4, 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, now we have done 9 to 16. Let's do 9 to 16. Okay, in one shot. Okay, 9 to 16 in one shot. Alright, one time, count and play. Second time, just play. Alright, on my count. Ready? This is count and play. On my count. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and rest. 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay. This time we are going to just play and count inside your heart. Don't count out loud. Ready? On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and Alright. Okay, if you need more time and more practice, please, what should you do? Rewind the video and look at it a few more times and practice a few more times. Okay, I realized I didn't do bar 1 to 8 in one shot. So now let's go back again. Let's do bar 1 to 8 in one shot. 2 times. First, I'm gonna count and play. Alright, second time, I'm just gonna play without counting. Alright, let's try bars 1 to 8. This is count and play. 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and this time it is going to be just playing without counting for bars 1, 2, 8. On my count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so now, are you ready to combine everything? Playing from bar 1 all the way until bar 16. Okay, same, we're gonna do 2 times. The first time I'm gonna count and play. Second time I'm just gonna play without counting. The counting will be inside my heart, inside here, but not here. Alright, okay, make sure you know all the dynamics. If you don't know what dynamics are, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it means that you haven't seen the other videos that is the shaker cans, the metal tins, and the plastic bottles. Alright, okay, now let's try. From bar 1 to 16, count while playing. On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and rest. 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and rest. 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and rest. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Alright. Now we are going to do the final playing, which is play without counting out loud. Count inside your heart. Okay? Are you ready? Bars 1 to 16. On my count. 1, 2, 3, go! All right, we have done the last instrument of the shine groove. All right, please take note for the bass part. If you're playing it, I need you to play the correct hands. If you don't know what hands to use, it means that you have not learned lesson 1 and 2 properly. Please go back and revise. All right, like I said, all these instruments are very, very important, and all these rhythms that you learned from lesson 1 until now are also very important. You need to understand them. You need to be able to play them when you see them. Okay, you please don't memorize what I play every time. Okay, I need you to understand. Just like when you read a word, you understand shine. It's spelled shine. So when you see shine, you can immediately say shine. Okay, just like when I see quaver, I can immediately play quaver. It's the same thing. Okay, it takes practice. All right. Hope you all will have nice time trying to figure all the things out. Hope you all will really put in some effort to practice, and I look forward to seeing everyone again. And let's enjoy ourselves playing the shine groove. Okay, let's be very proud. Okay, I'll see you back in school. Bye.